Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you are all well. So let's start today's video. So I went to the gift shop other day and I saw this lovely gift bag and I got an idea. I thought these butterflies are so beautiful and we need to do something with them. So at the moment I'm just cutting the butterflies out of this bag. So I'm just selecting the one that I will be cutting out. And here we go. I have a selection of beautiful butterflies on this gift bag. Now there are so many things you can do with them. As you can see, there is a collection of butterflies. So these are the one that I selected from the bag, and now I will be cutting all the edges of these butterflies. So these all are done now, and now comes the fun part here. So I'm just loving this small one, and I'm using this UV resin, and it's a hard viscosity UV resin, and I was kindly sent this UV resin by Lightwish. So I will link this in my description. I am actually working with this UV resin and it's amazing. So I will be lightly covering this butterfly with the UV resin. After putting a few drops of UV resin, I will be using my toothpick to spread it. So these butterflies have already such a beautiful glitter on them and the pattern is there. So this UV resin will highlight everything. So carefully I will be doing this to all of these butterflies. And these will go under the UV light. So meanwhile others are curing, I am doing all of these. So actually I love this one because this is actually a ghost type of butterfly and there is so much I can do with this one. So I'm doing the same here. I'm putting the UV resin layer. So now comes the fun part, and after doing a thin layer of UV resin, I will be going to decorate this butterfly with these flowers. So I will be selecting few from this kit here. So from now on, I will be decorating these butterflies as I wish. So this is really up to you how you want to decorate them. I am just giving you an idea that a simple gift bag can be turned into something amazing. And then I'm adding these green leaves. So I will be adding these beautiful embellishment to the butterflies, and you just enjoy the process. And in the middle, I am adding these beads of different sizes just to make the center. And then it goes under the UV lamp. So meanwhile that butterfly is curing, I'm trying to decorate this one. And for this one, I am selecting my elements that I'm going to add on this butterfly. So I'm going for a crystal here, and I think I will be using amethyst. So I have some amethyst here, and from these I will be selecting the perfect size that will be perfect for this butterfly. So here you can see I have selected two of them, and one is a bigger amethyst point and other one is small, and you can see how beautiful the center has become. So in between I will be adding a little pearl. So I had a little idea that what I will be doing, but from now on whatever I'm adding to these butterfly is my instant thinking, what I want to add, everything is coming up. So in I will be putting my UV resin again. So this project is all about using a UV resin. So here I am putting this small amethyst, and then a bead in the center. Actually it's a pearl. And then this is the top part. So I'm just showing you how these are done. It took me so long to select the amethyst sizes that I had a lot of these. So you can see it's looking so amazing. I was so happy that I got the perfect size. Sometimes I have ideas but I don't have the supply, so the projects get elongated, but this time I had everything. So it's going really smoothly. And then it will be going under the lamp. So this one is looking pretty already. So I will be using little moons. I'm just spreading a little bit of UV resin on both sides. So here are the moons, and these are brass moons. I am really very excited for the coming videos because I have so many amazing and lovely and cute ideas in my mind. So I hope you will love them. And this one was one of them. So after adding these, this butterfly will go under the UV lamp again. So make sure when you're working with the UV resin, please apply thin layers. And for this one, I had this lovely, beautiful rose quartz cabochon. So I will be putting it on this pink butterfly. For this butterfly, I have these already made drizzy clusters. These are made from resin. So I just broke them into smaller pieces, and now I will be adding them to the wings. So I'm just selecting the position how I like them to be. So now I added some UV resin onto this butterfly, and now I'm adding this rose quartz crystal cabochon, and then these drizzy inlays that I told you about. and then this will go under the UV lamp. So meanwhile my butterflies are curing, I will do the back for these butterflies. So this is how I'm doing that. I am coating UV resin on the back of the butterfly. So this is actually a thick gift bag, so it's a very thick card. So here I am applying a layer of UV resin, and with a toothpick I will be spreading it, and then this will go under the UV lamp. So I will be doing this to all of the butterflies. As I added the UV resin on the back, now I will be adding the bills also. So these are turning into necklaces. So yeah, this was a surprise. So you can make anything out of them. You can turn them into keychains, key rings, pendants, necklaces, earrings, really up to you, however you want them to be. You can use these butterflies to decorate a project also. But I had this idea and I wanted to turn them into necklaces, pendants. So here I have added a dollop of UV resin, and now it's going under the UV lamp. So everything will cure together. So on to this one, and it's looking pretty already, but I need to upgrade it a little bit more. So I'm just thinking of what to add. So here is the pink one, how it turned out after adding the bills. So this is done. It's looking so beautiful. The pink is such a lovely color. So I was looking for these skeleton keys. I wanted to do something a bit unique with one of the butterflies. So for this one, I'm going for a key here. It's a skeleton key, and I'm just selecting the one that goes perfectly with this one. So I think this is the perfect match. In this way, you can make many more butterflies and by adding different elements. So this is just an example if you want to make a smaller one. But I'm just making one today because I will be showing you different varieties here. So being a jewelry artist, I really love to collect old keys, and I do collect them a lot, and I do make jewelry out of them. I really love to make jewelry with old skeleton keys. So I think it's looking lovely, and this is going under the UV lamp. So keys always fascinate me, and I just love them. So in case if you want to see what I did to the back of this key butterfly, I'm doing the same here. I am adding UV resin. So you can do something more. You can add a little bit of glitter to UV resin when you're doing back. It's really up to you. I'm just going with the simple. So I'm just doing a simple back coat for this key butterfly. So meanwhile the key butterfly is curing, I'm again holding this one and I'm thinking of what to do, and I just got an idea. Yes, I will be using my gilding glue and I will be drawing patterns. I can see a little bit of pattern on this butterfly, so I will be following that lines. So that I will be doing with this one. And then I will leave this to dry. So after a few hours, it's all dried now, and I will be using my mirror gold to enhance the beauty of this butterfly. So after doing the gold foil to this one, I'm using this brass alcohol ink, and with this brass alcohol ink, I will be doing the edges of all of these butterflies just to give that extra lift. And with my fingers, I am doing the edging for this one. So these are almost all done now, and I will be adding a bill to this one, and It was really fun creating these butterflies. So let's see the final look of how they turn out. So this is the final look, and I added some necklaces to them, some chains. So I really love how they look like. They all turn into a unique necklaces. You can add so much to them. You can add small cabochons of gemstones and crystals. So I really love this amethyst one. So this was really a interesting project where I have to think a lot and what to add to my these butterflies, because I just had an idea that this is a gift bag and these butterflies are beautiful. Now from there I have to take them to the next level, adding different embellishments to them, giving you an idea. Now these are butterflies. I was thinking if there is a bag, there are beautiful hearts, you can make necklaces out of them, again key rings. So this is a DIY sort of project, and so with UV resin you can create amazing products out of resin. So as I tell you that resin is a medium, it's really up to you how high you are going to take this medium to work with. You can create amazing stuff, and stuff that is really different from other artists, because there are so many amazing artists creating so many beautiful stuff. So yeah, it's really difficult these days to. So my favorite is this smallest one. I added a labradorite cabochon onto the center of this small one. It's such a pretty beautiful little butterfly. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please do let me know in comments, and also please like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so, and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.